Engines roar, tires burn, legends roll. Welcome to Drive Thru Wheels, where horsepower meets attitude. The 2026 Toyota 10x10 ShieldBeast Military Beast feels less like a vehicle and more like a declaration carved in steel. The moment it enters your field of vision, scale becomes the dominant experience. It towers with unapologetic mass, stretching across the ground with 10 driven wheels aligned beneath a reinforced, armor-integrated chassis. Its proportions are almost surreal, closer to a rolling fortress than a conventional truck. Standing beside it, you don't simply look at it, you look up at it. The visual impact alone communicates purpose. This machine was engineered for places where infrastructure collapses and terrain dictates survival. Its exterior design blends futuristic aggression with pragmatic military logic. The angular armored bodywork is tightly sculpted, every crease appearing to deflect force rather than catch light. Riveted seams and exposed fasteners emphasize mechanical honesty. The matte tactical finishes, stealth black, desert sand, and olive drab, are more than aesthetic choices, they minimize reflection and reinforce operational intent. Massive skid plates protect the underbody. Reinforced tow hooks sit recessed within a steel-boned front bumper. The grille guard integrates seamlessly with a heavy-duty winch system rated for extreme recovery loads. LED clusters and infrared-capable tactical lighting are mounted with precision, not flair. Nothing on the ShieldBeast feels decorative. Every line, vent, and mounting point exists to serve a function. The defining feature, of course, is the 10x10 drivetrain. All 10 wheels receive power through an advanced torque management system capable of distributing output across multiple axles in real time. Unlike traditional 4x4 or even 6x6 platforms, the ShieldBeast's extended wheelbase and additional contact points create extraordinary traction. On soft sand dunes, it floats rather than digs. In mud, the extra axles reduce ground pressure, preventing sink and maintaining steady forward momentum. On jagged rock trails, each axle articulates independently, keeping as many tires planted as possible. Watching it climb feels almost calculated, as though onboard systems are analyzing terrain variables faster than the driver can perceive them. The central tire inflation system enhances adaptability. With a few adjustments from the cabin interface, the driver can reduce tire pressure for sand and rock crawling or increase it for pavement efficiency. This transformation happens quickly, reinforcing the idea that the ShieldBeast is built for unpredictable environments. The reinforced beadlock wheels ensure stability even under extreme side loads, while the suspension geometry minimizes axle hop and instability on uneven terrain. Beneath its armored shell lies a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain engineered for torque endurance rather than outright speed. The diesel core provides relentless low-end pulling force, ideal for hauling heavy modules, armored cargo, or support equipment. The integrated electric system contributes supplemental torque and enables silent low-speed operation. In tactical scenarios, this silent mode could mean the difference between detection and invisibility. Despite its immense weight, throttle response is surprisingly controlled. Acceleration is deliberate but authoritative, a steady surge rather than a dramatic launch. The powertrain feels overbuilt, as though engineered with significant safety margins to endure prolonged stress. Steering such a massive vehicle might seem intimidating, yet the multi-axle steering assistance system improves maneuverability more than expected. While it remains large and deliberate in tight spaces, rear axle steering input reduces turning radius enough to make controlled navigation possible. On open terrain, stability is exceptional. The elongated footprint creates a planted, almost rail-like sense of tracking, especially at moderate speeds over uneven ground. Ride quality defies expectation. Military vehicles often sacrifice comfort for resilience, but the ShieldBeast integrates adaptive multi-axle suspension capable of absorbing terrain punishment with composure. Over corrugated dirt roads, it dampens vibration effectively. When traversing boulder-strewn paths, the independent articulation keeps cabin movement controlled rather than chaotic. The long chassis smooths abrupt impacts that would unsettle shorter vehicles. Even on paved highways, it feels stable and grounded, though its sheer size demands attention and planning. Inside, The cabin reflects a tactical-first philosophy fused with modern technological sophistication. Ballistic-grade materials line the doors and panels. Surfaces are coated in durable, scratch-resistant finishes designed to endure gear abrasion. Waterproof flooring allows easy cleaning after harsh field operations. The seating system prioritizes support over softness, with reinforced frames and multi-point harness compatibility. Long-duration missions feel sustainable thanks to ergonomic contouring and vibration dampening integrated into the seat mounts. The dashboard layout is mission-oriented. Rugged toggle switches with protective covers sit alongside high-resolution digital displays. Real-time diagnostics provide feedback on axle load distribution, tire pressure, suspension articulation, and powertrain stress. Advanced terrain mapping software overlays live data, offering predictive guidance on slope gradients and traction zones. Night vision-compatible lighting modes bathe the cabin in low-intensity hues to preserve visibility in darkness. Integrated encrypted communication systems and drone deployment controls transform the interior into a command hub rather than a simple cockpit. Technology is where the ShieldBeast truly establishes its 2026 identity. Thermal imaging systems enhance visibility in smoke, fog, or darkness. A 360-degree armored camera network provides situational awareness despite the vehicle's imposing dimensions. Autonomous assistance features can modulate throttle and braking during extreme incline maneuvers, preventing rollbacks or uncontrolled slides. The vehicle health monitoring system constantly analyzes mechanical strain, alerting operators before minor issues escalate. This predictive maintenance capability is crucial in remote regions where support infrastructure may be non-existent. Modularity defines its rear architecture. The ShieldBeast can be configured as an armored troop carrier, mobile logistics hauler, field medical response unit, disaster relief command vehicle, or remote expedition base. Reinforced mounting rails and quick lock structural interfaces allow rapid reconfiguration. Power outlets and integrated energy storage systems support heavy equipment, communication arrays, or emergency tools. The hybrid powertrain even enables the vehicle to function as a mobile generator, supplying power to external systems during operations. Durability is evident in structural engineering. The latter frame is constructed from high-strength alloy steel, reinforced at stress concentration points. Armor plating can be upgraded depending on mission profile without destabilizing weight distribution. Undercarriage protection shields vital components from debris and impact. Even wiring harnesses are routed within protective channels to prevent environmental damage. Yet, with all its capability, trade-offs are unavoidable. Urban maneuverability remains limited despite steering assistance. Fuel efficiency, while improved by hybrid integration, remains secondary to endurance and torque. Ownership and maintenance would require specialized facilities and trained technicians. It is not designed for daily commuting, nor does it pretend to be. What ultimately makes the 2026 Toyota 10x10 ShieldBeast extraordinary is its sense of deliberate overengineering. Every system appears to have been developed with redundancy, resilience, and long-term reliability in mind. The 10-wheel configuration isn't theatrical, it enhances load distribution, stability, and traction in measurable ways. The hybrid system isn't trendy, it provides operational flexibility and energy independence. The ShieldBeast stands as an ambitious extension of Toyota's engineering philosophy into extreme territory. It challenges traditional assumptions about what a military mobility platform can look like. It merges mechanical strength, digital intelligence, and modular adaptability into a cohesive whole. Whether evaluated as a conceptual military machine or as a symbol of boundary-pushing automotive design, it commands respect through scale, capability, and purpose. In a world where terrain can become unpredictable and infrastructure unreliable, the ShieldBeast represents preparedness embodied in steel. It is not built to impress city streets. It is built to endure environments where only the most capable machines survive.